To add money to your Venmo balance, firstly go to your Venmo, log into your account. Once I've logged into your account, click on the Me tab, which is on your bottom right there. Click on the Me tab. And once you're on the Me tab here, what you're going to do, you're going to either select transfer or the add money option. So if you have the add money option, tap on the add money option. And from there, select how you want to add the money. So the most common way is either by using your bank or debit card. So select that, or you have other options here based on your locations and region. You will have different options, but the common one is from bank or debit card. So just select that. Then here it will take you to the payment method. So click on these Visa or debit card if you already have the payment method, or select add bank or card details. So once tap that, and then plug in your card details here and hit on add. So this will now add the card to your Venmo account. So once you have already added this, you'll go back to your Venmo balance here and hit on transfer, and simply click on transfer and transfer the specific amount that you want to add to your Venmo balance from the card that you just added, and then complete it. So this is how you transfer the balance, or you add the balance to your Venmo balance. First, add the money to your card, or link your card if you haven't, your card or your bank account, and then you can transfer it. And that's how you do it.